Talofa lover, and hello, my beautiful YouTube fam. First off, I just want to say a big thank you and a malo alpito to the 1,500 of you subscribe to this channel. I see you. I honestly appreciate you still being here, even though it's been a while. It's actually been about 2 years since we last posted anything here. And if I'm being honest, life happened. You know how it is. Trying to get the whole family in front of the camera at the same time, not easy. And to add to that, all the things life throws your way, like work, parenting, and just trying to get through the day. And yeah, the channel kind of had to take a back seat. But now things are going to look a little different, and I hope you stick around for it. I've decided to rebrand the channel and give it a new heartbeat. From today on, this channel is now called Life Shared with Toa. This channel will still feel like home, but it's going to be more personal. It's no longer just about trying to capture those, family moments, because if you're already a parent, you know how it is. That doesn't really exist. So what I can share is real life. So what can you expect here moving forward? The new heart behind this channel is simple. If I know it helps, I'll share it. That's it. This could be anything from a simple recipe I've found that feeds the family on a budget, a tip I've learned while managing our money, but budgeting or business idea, or even just a message of encouragement for when things feel heavy, because I'm right there too. I'm not coming on here as someone who has it all figured out. I'm learning in real time, and I want to bring you along for the journey. You'll still see Shane and the kids in some of the videos. This is still very much a family space, but I've realized I don't need to wait until we're all together in the same room to post something that it could be helpful to you. So this channel is now going to be a space for all the bits of life I normally share with family or close friends. Tips, food, money, parenting, faith, motivation, anything that's real and helpful. And I made a personal challenge to myself. For the next 90 days, I'm going to post a video every single day. Not because I've got everything ready and perfect, but because I know that if I don't start now, I never will. So this is me saying, I'm back, I'm showing up, and I'm doing it with heart. I don't need this to be polished. I just want it to be real. If you're someone who's trying to manage life, budget well, raise your babies, stay encouraged, and still try and grow, this space is for you, and we'll figure it out together one day at a time. So thank you again for still being here. It honestly means the world. Before I go, I'd love for you to do two things. One, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the little bell so you don't miss tomorrow's video. Two, drop a comment below. Just say hi or let me know what kind of content would be helpful for you and your family right now. You'll see me again tomorrow. I've got a helpful video coming your way, and I am super excited to kick things off, this new chapter with you. Until the end, take care, be kind to yourself, and remember, if it helps, I'll share it. See you tomorrow, fam. Alofa atu.